I'm not convinced.
18-wheeler.
I'm not convinced that was me.
I don't know. Hold on. Let's try it one more time here. Let's see.
What time did I go to bed? That was me. I wonder what time I went to bed because I had to be
I recorded that at 12:22 a.m. our time. So
okay, so I was in my REM.
You was shit. That ain't REM.
I was in deep sleep because he said I did everything but punch.
I did everything but punch this chick, y'all. I swear I did.
I didn't. I feel like I would have remembered